Everyone's talking about AI these days, but here's the truth. Most people are still doing it wrong. They think just using ChatGPT or some editing tool will make them money. But the reality? Without a system, AI is just noise. And that's why so many give up, frustrated, overwhelmed, and back at square one. But not you, because you've just discovered something different, something smarter. It's called AI Trend Flow Formula, and it's not just another course. It's a real-world blueprint that shows you how to use AI to detect viral trends before they explode, create content automatically, and build traffic and income streams that don't rely on ads, luck, or constant uploads. It's what smart creators are doing right now to win, quietly, while others are still testing and guessing. This method helps you work less, not more. It teaches you how to create once and multiply your presence across YouTube, Shorts, TikTok, and blogs without showing your face or editing every day. I've seen people go from zero to building full-time passive income using just these strategies. And now it's your turn. If you're tired of spinning your wheels or watching others go viral while you stay stuck, this is the reset you need. And here's the bonus. When you grab AI Trend Flow Formula using the link in the description, you'll unlock my premium bonus vault, a hand-picked bundle of 10 next-gen trainings and tools that cover everything from ChatGPT mastery to video creation, SEO content, Midjourney image generation, Canva AI, Pictory, Opus Clip, and more. All of this is yours, free, when you act today. So don't wait for trends to pass you by again. Be the first. Be the one others follow. Click the link now, start with AI Trend Flow Formula, and let your journey to smart AI income begin.